Welcome traders to yet another educational video of Nifty short-term view. It's almost 9:55 in the morning and currently we are looking at the Nifty futures daily and the hourly chart. Nifty future is currently trading 30 points up and Bank Nifty you can see is almost close to 182 points up. Now the main highlighting point in the daily chart is first thing is that the price has started trading close to or just above this particular resistance band. Okay, this resistance band which I've drawn over here. You can see the coordinates are 17,530 to 17,400. The prices are above both of the moving averages you can see, and this is the 200-day simple moving average which you can see over here in the orange color. So price is above almost all the important moving averages. One thing which I don't like over here in this particular rally, especially when this rally is going on, is the fall in volumes. Generally, fall in volumes is not a very good sign when the markets are going up. But if I would say, if I want to give importance in terms of order, will price come first or the volumes? It will always be price. After price, I think volume will get its importance in the market. So giving importance to price, I would say that RSI is moving up beautifully, and if I think connect these 2 points, we have a beautiful trend line breakout coming up in RSI, which we have seen on 29th of March. And after that, price did confirm its move on the upside. But we need to understand one thing, that we have still not surpassed this resistance in terms of closing basis. All right. So we need to close above 17,550 to 17,600 with a pretty decent green candle. Then we might have an upside. What are the levels which could be tested? I'll just come to that point. Let us check over here in the hourly chart as well. In the hourly chart as well, if you want to look at the minute level, same thing is visible in the hourly charts as well. The volumes are coming down. You can see after this short-term rally has occurred, the volumes have generally dropped. Okay, only in this first big large candle there was a decent volume, and this is, I think, the first candle of yesterday of the hourly chart. We have a red colored volume bar over here. So basically overall volume इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, but price ऊपर जा रहा है. And you can see how beautifully even in the hourly charts, if I keep my crosshair, the cursor over here, it's showing me 17,584. And almost in the daily chart, if you see properly, मैं इसको थोड़ा सा नीचे लेता हूँ charts को, it will give us almost the same level. So this is a confluence of resistance again in the hourly chart as well as in the daily chart. So once I think we have a close about 17,550, 17,600 especially, then I think markets might go higher, and the levels to be tested could be 17,800, 18,000, and if it is extremely bullish, then probably even 18,100 levels. All right. So these are the levels which could be tested in the Nifty futures, and over here we do have a probable resistance. This hasn't been tested much. So I think with time, in case if the price moves higher, I think we'll come to know what happens over here. Now let's go to the Bank Nifty charts. If you compare Nifty and Bank Nifty side by side, you will clearly understand that structurally Nifty is much stronger to Bank Nifty. All right, you can see already the prices are moving higher. They are above their resistance, maybe in intraday, not on closing basis, but they are. But in Bank Nifty charts, it's not the same. And one thing is clear, that prices have respected our support levels, because this was the support level which I had shared with all of you since I think many days now. And we have two decent hammers over here. Now prices are moving up. This is the 200 days moving average. I think a combination of this 200-day moving average plus the high of this resistance band, which I have shared with all of you, 36,983, which is almost 37,000. So at 37,000 or 36,800, that 200 points band range, we have a confluence of resistance. Even in the hourly chart, if you see, I have a Fibonacci extension exactly at the same level, extremely close to today's high. So between 36,800 and 37,000, just this 200 points tight range, we have a lot of resistances. And if you see the RSI, I think there is no problem in RSI. We can have a beautiful trend line breakout in the daily chart of RSI. That is not a problem. Only thing is the mouth of this Bollinger Band is slightly wider. Generally, if we want to have a good, decent breakout, I think some sort of consolidation, if it happens, and after that we have a breakout, then I think it will be sustainable on the upside. Again, if I talk about volumes, which I did share with all of you, तो वॉल्यूम में भी अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे भी सेम चीज यहाँ पे विजिबल है कि प्राइस कंटिन्यूसली ऊपर जा रहा था, वॉल्यूम्स नीचे आ रहे थे. दिस इज नॉट अ गुड साइन if we want a bullish rally to continue in the market. But again, अगर मुझे importance देना है price को और volume को, then I will give more importance to the price. And as per my judgment, as per my analysis, if we close above this particular level for a day or two, which is 37,000, I think we'll be moving forward close to 37,400. Possibly 37,800. We have this POC, point of control, in volume profile, and on the higher side, probably even 38,350 or something like that. So these are the levels which could be tested in Bank Nifty futures. And don't haste, jaldbazi mat kariye. Let the price do close above this level, because if you just try to buy at the resistance, especially in Nifty futures, because Nifty futures में कैसा है कि it is almost on the verge of breaking out, but अभी तक breakout हुआ नहीं. And many times I have seen my friends के prices जो होते हैं वो ऊपर intraday में trade करके फिर नीचे आ जाते हैं. And many of the amateur traders, they unfortunately get stuck up over here. Don't let that happen with you. Wait patiently for this breakout to happen on closing basis and then take your trading decision in other stocks. All right. So I hope this educational video was helpful to all of you. Trade wisely. Take care.